Hello there, beautiful people. Today I will be taking a look at the Temptu Highlighter Champagne Shimmer in 0.25 fluid ounces. A little bit about this product. It's a highlighter that brings radiance to the complexion with just 2 to 4 drops. Its advanced formula adds shimmer and highlight and emphasizes eyes, cheeks, and other features. Apply alone or mix with foundation for a more luminous effect. It's available in 6 ready-to-use shades, adds radiance and luminosity. Apply alone or mix with the foundation for a more luminous look and long-lasting all-day wear. And you can use it as buildable coverage because it is a silicone-based, oil-free, paraben-free, non-comedogenic, which means that it does not cause any acne and can be applied by brush, hand, sponge. It can be applied by airbrush or hand, sponge, or brush. A little bit about the brand. For 35 years, Temptu has revolutionized airbrush makeup and created award-winning formulas to fuel the passion and artistry of professionals and clientele. At Temptu, great things happen where beauty and technology meet. So this is a pretty small amount, but like I said, they only say to use 2 to 3 drops, which is enough. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. Anything, if you put champagne on any color of makeup, I gotta have it because it's just, I love champagne, the champagne color. It works really well on me. This one is actually really popular. Yeah, people really respond to this and find that it's a really great product, especially to add to your foundation for some, like I said, luminosity. So I'm just gonna put a couple drops on, and you can see if you blend it into your foundation, you're gonna get a shimmer, a little bit of tan shimmer all over your face. And like I said, this is just 3 drops, so it almost covers my whole entire hand. You can also use it as strobing product, where instead of contouring, there's strobing, which is highlighting just the areas of your face that you want recognized. Whereas contouring is a whole mess of problems for me. It's just confusing as heck. I don't know what direction what color goes, or how to make my face look thinner, or how to make my nose look slimmer. I just kind of go with the strobing because I feel like it's a lot more natural. So now that you can see it's set a little bit, it's a nice shiny product. It's not oily, it's not greasy, didn't even really leave that much stain on my finger. Yeah, it's just a great product. Add to your product arsenal, just especially, you can wear this every day if you want. Nice luminous complexion with your foundation, during the week from 9 to 5. Or you can also use it on special occasions when you're going out and you just really want a little extra oomph. This is a really great product. It's amazing. It's been on the market for so long. A lot of people actually call it a blush or bronzer. I don't really see it as a blush or bronzer. I see it more as a highlighter, but you could use it as a blush or brush or bronzer. This could be one of these multitaskers that I talk about. You could actually put it on your eyes, your cheeks, and your lips, and looks like you have a little bit of makeup on. You always just have to keep a travel mascara with you, and then you're done. So it's usually, I think, like I always say, there's 4 or 5 items that you should always have in your purse. This might be one of them. This is a really good candidate. It's really pretty, it's really shiny, it's nice and natural, so we like that. So go for nice and natural. You don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself, and thanks so much for